Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you guys how to get your photos from looking like this to this just by using your smartphone. So let's get started. The only application you're gonna need is Snapseed. So install it from the Play Store. The links will be given in the description below. Now on your phone, open the camera application, and if your phone have a manual camera mode, then set the phone to manual camera settings and make sure that the focus, the ISO and the shutter speed stay the same and are locked to the same settings. And if your phone does not have a manual camera mode, open your camera and press and hold on the display until a lock icon shows up inside the focus circle. This makes sure that your phone's camera settings does not change while taking different photos to make the clone effect. Now set your phone in a stable position, like placing it on a tripod or lean it against something so that it does not move while taking photos. This is a very crucial step, so please ensure that your phone is stable. Now place your subject, in my case that is my speaker, in different part of the frame without moving the camera, and take photos while placing it in different part of the frame. As you can see on my screen, I am moving the speaker to different parts of the frame, not keeping it on the same place but moving it to different parts and taking these photos. After you have done taking all these photos, open Snapseed on your smartphone and import the first photo that you took. Now click on the Tools tab, scroll down and press on Double Exposure. In there, click on Add New Photo button and add the second photo. Now that the photo has been added, click on the button which looks like a water drop on the bottom right side of the screen and place it in the highest intensity possible and apply the settings. Now click on the Edit Stack button and in there click on View Edits, and in there you need to click on the Double Exposure and press the Brush button. This window will pop up. Now make sure that the brush is at 100% and the icon I am showing right now on the screen is not pressed. Make sure that it is not pressed and place the button at 100% sensitivity. Now brush over the part where the image is supposed to be, zoom in and you can add it more precisely. Make sure the shadows are added as well. That's it. Now you have cloned your item successfully. Now click back. You can add more images if you want. I'm going to fast forward to the part where I add more images. You can repeat the same steps and add more images, as much images as you want. The one thing to keep in mind while adding these images is that the more time and more effort you put into adding these images perfectly and blending it correctly, the more better your final images will turn out. And guys, while blending images, if you make mistakes like this, then you don't need to worry. Just make the brush intensity to 0 and you can paint the messed up part back in. By changing the brush intensity to 0, you can fix the mistakes that you made, and you can change the brush intensity to 100 and continue blending the images. Now let's add a fourth image to this composition. You can just repeat the first steps I showed you guys in this video. Now after all these images have been added to this composition, you can do the color correction and you can edit it however you want. I'm just going to change the colors a bit, and after everything has been done, you can export this image and this is your final image. Using these steps, you can clone anything that you want. You can even clone yourself into photos. I have done this myself and it works flawlessly. So that is it for today's video guys. If you guys found this video helpful, then consider subscribing to the channel, liking this video and sharing it with your friends. If you have any doubts regarding this video, comment it down below and I will be sure to answer them. So now we are at 4 subscribers guys, and I am aiming to get 10 subscribers by this month. So if you guys can help me out, consider subscribing. Stay safe and bye guys.